What if I told you there's one car maintenance task that most people forget, and it could end up costing you thousands? It's not an oil change, tire rotation, or brake pad replacement. It's your timing belt or timing chain. This critical component keeps your engine's valves and pistons moving in perfect sync. If it fails, the result can be catastrophic. In interference engines, a snap timing belt means valves and pistons collide, causing severe engine damage that's often beyond repair. Even if your engine survives, replacing a broken timing belt on its own can cost up to $2,000, depending on your car. Here's the kicker. Timing belts don't give you a warning before they fail. They might last 60,000 miles or 100,000 miles, depending on your car's manufacturer guidelines, but ignoring the recommended replacement interval is a gamble. Timing chains are more durable, but can still stretch or fail if neglected. Imagine cruising down the highway, and suddenly, your engine dies without warning. That's what happens when a timing belt breaks, and trust me, the repair bill isn't pretty. The good news? Avoiding this nightmare is easy. Check your owner's manual for the recommended replacement interval and stick to it. If you're unsure whether your car has a timing belt or chain, ask your mechanic during your next service. It's better to spend a few $100s replacing it now than thousands on engine repairs later. Have you checked your timing belt lately? Or do you think this maintenance is overrated? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car-saving tips.